अरे यार We request our chief guest, Honorable Muzaffar Hussain sir, our guest of honor for the day, Shaida ma'am, our president, respected Gulam Dastagir Banegar sir, our management dignitaries, respected Abdur Rahman sir, Farooq Banegar sir, Khalid sir, Musab sir, Tabriz sir, Hussain sir, Hanzala sir, Huzaifa sir, Umair sir, our school authorities, our principal, Gazanfar sir, Osama sir, Talha sir, Nigar ma'am, and Sophia ma'am, to please be seated as a jury on the dais. Round of applause for all of them. We are indeed honored to have our galaxy of intellectuals on the stage. A distinguished leader of Indian National Congress, representing Meera Bhayandar not only in Thane district but also at Maharashtra state level. A political career that spans over 3 decades, serving 2 terms as a member of Maharashtra Legislative Council and currently holding the position of Parliamentary Board Member at MPCC. He is not only the man of success, but also a person enriched with values. We are extremely privileged to honor the presence of this living legend, our chief guest, Honorable, respected Syed Muzaffar Hussain sir. Once again, a round of applause for him. We request our president, respected Gulam Dastagir Banegar sir, to honor our chief guest with a token of respect.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we have our guest of honor, Mrs. Shaida Nisar Mir ma'am, who served as a teacher, got promoted as a supervisor, and her hard work and sincerity availed her the position of principal at a BMC school. The 35 years of her service reflects her strong, empowered personality. Despite several family and child rearing challenges, she elegantly balanced the professional and personal life with her own backbone, the strong pillar of support, her husband, Mr. Nisar Mir Sir, who stood as a shield through every thick and thin. She had been awarded by the Governor of Maharashtra, Mr. Bhagat Singh Koshyari, in Feb 2023 at Raj Bhavan for her best performance in educational sector. We are privileged by the presence of our guest of honor, respected Mrs. Shaida Nisar Mir ma'am. We request Headmistress of Primary Section, Nigar ma'am, to felicitate our honorable guest of honor.
A round of applause for our guest of honor. Thank you, ma'am. As we proceed with honoring our gems of dynasty and galaxy of intellectuals, our jury, we take immense pride to honor and felicitate our management dignitaries. We request our principal sir to felicitate our president, respected Gulam Dastagir Banegar sir. Round of applause. Thank you, sir. We request our management member, respected Tabriz Banegar sir, to felicitate our secretary, respected Abdur Rahman Banegar sir. Round of applause for him. Thank you, sir. We request our board member, Talha Banegar sir, to felicitate our trustee, Khalid Banegar sir. Round of applause for him. Thank you, sir. We request our Managing Director, Osama Banegar sir, to felicitate our Treasurer, respected Farooq Banegar sir. Round of applause for him, audience. Thank you, sir. We request our management member, Hussain Banegar sir, to felicitate our trustee, respected Musab Banegar sir. Round of applause for him, audience.
Moving to the school authorities, we request our supervisor of secondary section, Sharik sir, to felicitate our principal, respected Gazanfar Ali Banegar sir.
Round of applause for them.
Thank you, sir. We request our supervisor of secondary section, Sharik sir, to once again felicitate our managing director, respected Usama Banegar sir. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. We request Management Umair Banegar sir to felicitate our board member, respected Talha Banegar sir. Thank you, sir. We request Management Hanzala Banegar sir to felicitate Headmistress of Primary Section, Mrs. Nigar Sheikh ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now we request Management Huzaifa Banegar sir to felicitate Headmistress of Pre-Primary Section, Sophia Sheikh ma'am.
Round of applause for our jury of intellectuals. Thank you, sir. I once again request our secondary section supervisor, Sharik sir, to felicitate our management member, Hussain Banegar sir. Our next management member, Tabriz Banegar sir. Audience, please give a healthy and wealthy round of applause for all our dignitaries. Our next management member, Hanzala Banegar sir. have with us Josefa Banegar, sir. We have Umair Banegar, sir, with us. Thank you, sir.
माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, लेकिन भाइयों के दिए बहन ने एक तोहफा लाई ये सिल्वर जुबली मौके पर डॉक्टर सारा आपा यहाँ पर आई है। उन्होंने एक ट्रॉफ़ी लाई है अहमद भाई, और उनको मैं यहाँ पर स्टेज पे बुलाऊंगा और गुलाम दस्तगीर साहब को गुजारिश करूँगा कि वो ट्रॉफ़ी उनके हाथ से आप कबूल करें। आइए। हम बचाते फूलों से दामन, हम बचाते फूलों से दामन तो बहारों का दिल टूट जाता, मोहब्बत की ये रस्में ना होती तो हजारों का दिल टूट जाता। शुक्रिया।
Round of applause for them, all the audience out there. Thank you, sir and ma'am. It was such an heartwarming gesture by you. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. A magnificent recognition and glimpse of acknowledgement to honor our honorable, respected guest of honor with Mr. Iqbal Banegar Lifetime Achievement Award as a mark of respect towards their efficient, tireless, threshold contribution dignified in their respective field. We request our esteemed President, respected Gulam Dastagir Banegar, sir, to present Mr. Iqbal Banegar Lifetime Achievement Award to our guest of honor, Mrs. Shaida Nisar Mir, ma'am. Round of applause, audience, for her. Indeed, she is such a rock strong personality for us to get inspired. Round of applause for her. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. we really miss the absence of our guest of honor, Mrs. Nurja Hussain ma'am. We request our Honorable Chief Guest, Muzaffar Hussain sir, to please collect the Lifetime Achievement Award and accept it on her behalf. We request our President to felicitate it. Round of applause, audience. Thank you so much, sir.